Ek het vir Dr. Trevor Bailey hier saam met my, hoofnavorsing en produkontwikkeling by CSN. Lekker om jou te hê, Dr. Bailey.
Morning.
So Trevor, julle het 4 produkte wat julle vandag bekendstel vir die suksesvolle teenwerking van veroudering. Groot onderwerp deesdae. Vertel ons asseblief wat hierdie produkte is en hoe werk elkeen?
So the products that we are launching now is the CSN Health Oil. CSN Health Oil is an organic extract of hemp seed oil, providing CBD. It provides 20 milligrams of CBD with 0 trace of the THC, so you don't get that high associated with the cannabis and so on. The 20 milligram dosage falls within the regulations that are set aside by the South African Health Products Regulatory Authority. How CBD works is it interacts with our endocannabinoid system in the body to bring about balance. It restores balance, or what's commonly known as homeostasis. If you're in a state of homeostasis, health results as that. So where CBD would come in and effective is anything where there's an imbalance. So any kind of inflammation, so things like pain, migraine, stress causes an imbalance, anxiety, and insomnia. So those are your common type of ailments that CBD can assist with. That is combined together with the CSN Nucleo Pro capsules. That's a precursor to your RNA and DNA in the body. So it's nucleotides, which then stimulate and help with repair of damaged cells in the body, thereby stalling the aging process and promoting new growth. And that then goes in combination with the CSN anti-wrinkle cream, which then helps with from the outside for appearance. So the formulation was put together with about 20 years of research that's been done. It contains 2 potencies of the homeopathic form of botulinum toxin. The research...
Botox, you mean?
Basically.
Just in case nobody knows what botulinum toxin is.
That's okay. And that basically the research showed a reduction in the appearance of frown lines, so these lines here, and also the reduction of what's commonly referred to as rhytids, and that's known as your fine lines or wrinkles. The formulation is then further enhanced with provitamin B5, collagen, and your peptides.
I'm so sorry. Before we run out of time, Dr. Bailey, hoe moet hierdie produkte die mees effektiefste gebruik word?
Okay, so your
Natuurlik die roompie smeer jy aan.
That's it. And you actually, with the cream, it's a good point because a lot of people say, can I use it with every... And yes, you can. So whatever your normal facial routine is, you apply the cream morning, evening. Underneath, so after you've cleaned, you apply the cream.
Amper soos 'n serum room.
That's it.
Okay.
Yeah, just like to prepare your skin and that. And then you can put your moisturizer on over it if you want, and then your makeup, your base, and so on. So,
Die olies, waar sit mense dit aan?
so no, well, the CBD oil you take.
So it's any capsules
20
you take.
drops. Yeah, 20 drops of the oil. You can't take more. The regulations limit us. 20 drops gives you your 20 milligram dose a day, which is sufficient for promoting health and wellness, and together combined with 1 capsule of the Nucleo Pro a day.
Ons het letterlik 'n paar sekondes. Waar kan kykers hierdie produkte kry of bestel?
Facebook, very active on Facebook, the website, and of course you can call into the call center to get that information.
Wow, wat 'n amazing bouquet van produkte wat nou uit is. En mense kan hierdie 4 saam gebruik.
Correct. Yeah, from an anti-aging point of view, a very good combination, just to give you everything that you need to stall the aging process.
Fantasties. So ek gaan 20 lyk vir die res van my lewe. Dankie dat jy hier was, Dr. Bailey. En sterkte met hierdie nuwe reeks wat nou vrygestel is.